In this video I am going to show how to publish the website in IIS. First we have to enable the IIS in Windows. Go to control panel and programs, and then turn Windows feature on off. Here you can able to find internet information service. You have to enable the IIS here. I already enabled it. I'm going to show just for disable and then enable again. After enabling, click OK. After that, restart the system. Then in start menu type IIS. This window will come. This is by defaultly this is a website which is defaultly come with Windows. Just go to browser, type localhost. This is the website running because of default website. It is already running. Now I am going to host some other sample website, so that I am going to download from Google. You can take any template, free templates. For demo I am taking the first one. See this is the website which is given free. This is download the whole website. After downloading, open it and then go to some location, and then paste, then extract it. This is the pure HTML website. Now I am going to disable this one and add our newly downloaded template. After stopping, this whole website is not connecting. Now I am going to add our new website. Inside, right click and then add new website. Give some name for website. Select the path where the website was placed. This is the route. I am giving unassigned, so that by defaultly this PC IP address will be taken. Now this tech is running now. Now I am going to refresh this one, localhost. Right now we have downloaded one website now. The same thing is visible here. This is a very simple thing. You can also use the IIS for ASP.NET hosting.